Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Other Liquor series, we're exploring their gin. This is Koval's Cranberry Gin Liqueur.
Gin Liqueur.
Yeah, so it's still a liqueur series.
Gin Liqueur.
Yes.
Yeah, we got this.
Okay. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, let's hold up that bottle because you were just feeling
pretty bottle. And I do, as you know, we are big fans of Koval. This beautiful cranberry gin liqueur. I love this. This is all fancy, and it's got texture and it's really cool looking. And of course, it's red, which is there you go. It's a beautiful red hue there. Cranberry, shocking, it's red. It's 30% made with the 13 signature botanicals with cranberry added to it. It won the best American gin liqueur in the world from the World Liqueur Awards. Say it's a great aperitif. It's also fantastic with prosecco, club soda, sparkling water, or spritz. It's also organic and kosher.
Can I ask? I wonder how many gin liqueurs were entered into that competition.
I don't know.
I've never seen a gin liqueur before this.
I have another one right here. The
Oh.
Enchanted Flurries, Elderflower. Look at it shakes.
Hold on. Let
And
me.
you can.
It's a snow globe.
It's a snow globe. So it's that version. I also have a raspberry version.
Is that like
Interesting.
that Goldschlager that has real flecks of gold?
Exactly. Same concept. Whatever that stuff is in there. But yeah, so it says all the ingredients are Midwest farmers, and some fun cocktails are the Cranberry Gin Spritz, the Midwest Fizz, the Cranberry Convo, and the Autumn Orchard. All right, let's see what we think. Because we do love the regular gin, so we're going to see how this is.
So
Well,
I'm
this
just
is very autumn.
just gonna say right up front, I'm not a fan of cranberry in general. So
This reminds me of a fall day. This is
Yeah, and a Yankee Candle.
dried
does.
figs and leaves.
Yankee Candle.
I mean,
Yeah.
obviously the cranberry.
Yeah,
But-
juniper, saffron, sage, cardamom.
Yeah, it smells like a Yankee Candle company that's labeled like cabin. Like cabin in the woods.
Yes.
No, because I think that's leaning towards too much.
Well, I get so much Christmas in here.
It's also a horror film.
I think it should be called Leaf Peepers.
Leaf Peepers.
Interesting.
Because that couldn't possibly end poorly.
Huh?
Because that couldn't possibly end poorly with the Leaf Peepers people.
That's more autumn.
And it does have a lot of that foliage in there.
It does, and it's got this.
Slight juniper, but it's not heavy-handed.
It's not heavy
No, it's
handed.
not. There's this effervescence to it as well. And this, like, potpourri. Old lady potpourri, like at a
Yes.
Old lady potpourri.
Old-
Yes, but
old folks'
you're,
home.
you're not wrong. It's a
what
dish of potpourri.
sits on the back of the toilet.
Exactly what it is.
You remember
Yes.
those air fresheners that were like cone shaped that
I do
Yeah.
remember those.
it open
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like
yeah.
jelly? It's like that.
It's
Slowly
exactly what it is.
evaporated.
I remember those.
And it even has that almost medicinal
It does.
cleaning solution
Yeah.
quality in there.
Yeah. In a
No,
good way.
To me,
That's
those
just
are
the alcohol.
gin notes.
Right. Those are just the alcohol vapors. That's not,
Yeah, yeah.
Not overpowering on the cranberry smell.
No, it's not.
No.
It's accented.
No. Right. It feels like
Of
it's
course,
an
that's the
additional note
smell,
too.
So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
This
ahead
smells
and
delicious.
I
See
think
what
it smells great. Let's see.
Oh, cranberry.
Oh, yeah. There's the cranberry. There's the bitter.
There's the
It's
sweet.
tart
It's not sweet. It's
and
tart.
bitter.
There's the tart. There's the bitter.
I don't get sweet
Oh God.
Juniper, saffron.
because cranberries
They
are
all
very
show up.
tart.
Like you said, the
Very.
autumn leaves,
Yeah.
the potpourri.
Everything that we named on the nose is right there in the glass.
That's really drying.
Just how, yeah, it really is. It has that, like, I don't
And
know.
coating all over your mouth.
See, and that to me, that coating is the oily, sickly, sweet blush that I got first.
Yeah,
Then wrapped itself with all the tart.
I agree.
But
There
for
is
me,
that.
I got the sickly sweet oil that
Agree.
hit my palate first, and then all the tartness.
But I think in a
started to show up.
cocktail, this stuff would be spectacular.
Yeah,
If I like
I can imagine.
cranberry.
So, can I have some bubble water? I'm going to dilute this down because
Yeah,
it's
I
a
think
little
this,
bit
yeah,
potent.
this is a great cocktail stuff.
Well,
This
now
to
it
me-
looks
I
like
think
a
it's a little
rosé.
bitter. But yeah, cocktail, awesome.
It feels a little heavy-handed to me, so I diluted it with some seltzer water to see if maybe it's just a little out of balance for my palate. Okay, so it's just a little out of balance for my palate. It's just a little bit too heavy.
See, that brings
That-
out more of the cranberry for me.
Yeah.
But it
And
tamps
less of
down
the
the bitter.
tart and less of the bitter.
I'm gonna add a little
So-
water. Just water.
For me, this is good on its own, but I think that it needs to be diluted a little bit for my palate to really actually enjoy it. The sweetness gets dialed down about 4 notches with a little bit of water. The tartness gets dialed down about 6 notches with a little bit of
Mhm.
water.
But the cranberry comes out so much more with a little bit of water.
It does.
But that's more than a little bit of water.
Well, it's
That
true.
was
It's a
the
little more
potpourri
than
goes
half water.
crazy with the water.
Huh?
The potpourri goes crazy with water.
Interesting.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah,
see,
way
I would
more
have
tart
water.
with just regular water. Whoa, yeah,
Way
that's
more what?
cranberry big time. But
So
yeah,
regular water versus bubble water.
Bubble water was much more diluting.
yeah, clearly.
But you also put more water in than he did.
Yeah,
I made ocean spray.
Interesting.
Snapple,
Yeah.
cranberry. All
Yeah,
right.
quite nice though. Good job. I think
If
they did
you
a great
like cranberry, you like tartness.
If you don't like gin but want to try something,
Yeah.
job. Yeah, I think that'd be good for that for
there's a
sure.
lot of
It's not
categories
heavily
that
juniper,
it's
yeah.
into for people.
Now-
Again, if you like these, but if you don't like gin and want to try a gin that's a bit of an outlier, it's still a gin
It still
essentially.
has those gin notes behind it, but they're not as prominent to smack you in the face.
Right.
Yep.
If you've
for
had
sure.
some London dry gins and the juniper was just
Too
way too
much.
much for you to
Yeah,
handle,
this would be way more up your alley.
right? This would be something that you might be able to palate.
And we'll have plenty of those next year from other craft distillers. We'll be discussing gins that are also going to be up your alley. So there'll be a lot of gin next year.
Good.
All right.
I want to have a lot of tequila the year after that.
Okay. I don't
I'll
have
lead us in that series. I've been
You
learning.
may
all
have to,
about
because I don't have a
tequila.
lot of those. I do,
All right.
but not good ones.
I'll help you out, Matt.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out the Patreon for behind the scenes fun. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass. Cheers.
I'm surprised I got through that whole thing without fumbling once.
Well, I'm glad you didn't vomit. That's a plus in our lives.
I'm surprised that I've gotten all of those exits right except for that very first one.
Good job.
I typically fub at least 2/3 of them.
Uh-oh, that was loud. We got that one.